Whoa, whoa, whoa,
Go
whoa,
crazy,
whoa,
berserker.
Okay! Spread the load! Take it away! Back-to-back wins for Chris.
Good? Yeah. All right, welcome back to the channel. Back out at the shop. We're gonna start working on the car. First things first, we're gonna put front bumper support on it. So we've got a lightweight bumper support. I'll grab her here. Follow me, probably not, but whatever. Check her out. Nice TigVision lightweight. They say it's, I think, 26 ounces, which is like 1.6 pounds. So we're gonna verify that with the scale. So first things first, we'll get the car lifted up, start taking the bumper off, and go from there. I did forget to mention a couple things in the intro there. This bumper support, yes, is from TigVision, all made in the USA. It fits 2005 to 2020 Mustangs, and it is the latest bumper support on the market. All right, we got the car up, so I figured while we got it up in the air, typically there'd be a plastic shield that would be across here that you would have to take off, but I don't have that on here anymore. There'd be a bunch of bolts which go into the radiator support here, and some bolts or clips that also go into the bottom of this section of the shield. So my car doesn't have that because I've removed that, so we're not going to have to worry about that. Other than that, I think we've got a couple bolts we got to take out from the inner wheel well there on both sides. And I think the rest will all be from the top. So we'll get those out. And oh, there's also another one up here. We'll get those out and then move it down and start from the top. All right, so we got the 7mm bolts out of the inner wheel well there. There's 3 on each side. So now we move on to this piece here, this plastic shroud. It needs to come off. Bunch of little clips there. So we'll get those removed and move on from there. All right, so we got the plastic shroud off. Now we'll be moving on to these guys here. We've got some 8mm and some Phillips plastic clips. So we'll get those removed, and I think that'll be about it. And then the bumper should come off from there. All right, we got those bolts and screws out, so I think that should be it. So we should be good to pull her off now. Okay, well, I better make a video of that. Okay, we did forget something. So, actually on this car it's got fog lights, but the fog lights aren't hooked up. So if you have fog lights, unhook those. And also your side markers. So those guys right there need to be unhooked. For your side markers, these guys. So, we'll get rid of those. Oh yeah, there's an air sensor too. All right, there is one more thing. There's also the ambient air temperature sensor, which clips into the front bumper as well, so you gotta take that out. Now the bumper support's all exposed there, so we'll start pulling that styrofoam shit off there, and yeah. All right, so this is the guy we're removing here. So we got some bolts in there. Looks like 4 bolts on each side. And I think we might need to drill out some spot welds if I understand correctly. So yeah, well, let's get this factory bumper support off. The heister. Oof. All right, so we got all the 8 bolts out, and now we're gonna need to drill out all the spot welds. So there's a couple there. Was there 1 or 2 under there? Just 1? Looks like 3 on each side. So we'll get those drilled out, and then this should come right off. All right, got all the spot welds out. Grind a couple of V's in there to get the drill bit in. But now it should pop off pretty easily. So let's see if we've got the right equipment for that. Whee! Well, I guess there's only one way to really remove a bumper support. Well, you got your forklift license there, bud? Oh, you got your got your safety light going? All right, here we go.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Whoa, 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 whoa! Woo! Finish her off.
Hope we did.
Sound like it did.
I was trying to give you that look, like, do it. You know what I mean? Because
Yeah.
I'm like, I don't want to keep pulling here.
Need a little massage and ooh,
There it is.
there she is. Oh yeah. Little chister. Oh yeah. Lift her up. That thing's struggling.
Got hanging up like a
This thing's
shark. He's got a big tuna. Stand beside it, you know? Freaked me out there for a second.
Boom. We're good?
Yep.
All right, so let's get the weight difference between the factory bar and the aftermarket bar. What we'll do first is we'll put this guy on to keep it consistent, because when we were playing around with just me, the weight was fluctuating. So with this guy, 25.6. We'll do it again for good measures to make sure that we're accurate. 25.6. All right, so first we'll weigh the factory bar. £38.2 pounds. So I'll have to do some math, which I'll put on the screen to let you know exactly what this one weighs. Jesus. All right, now the TigVision. $27.8 pounds. So what I'll do is I'll just put on the screen what the difference is between the two, weight difference, and yeah, put that somewhere here on the screen. All right. Go. All right, I forgot to explain the final steps there. It's pretty basic. Just got to reuse the factory hardware. 2 bolts on each side, and just bolt the bumper support back on the car. Alright, so there you have it. We've got the TigVision lightweight bumper support installed. So, reverse steps to get the bumper back on, but we're going to leave it off for now because we've got a couple other things to do. But yeah, stay tuned. We'll catch you on the next video and the next mod coming up soon. Peace.
We're gonna burn it down. Burn it down. We're gonna burn it down.